let's see, working with dog. What the hell, cuz? What happened, bro?
Hey, fam. It's been like a whole year since I got a cut, fam.
Yo, a whole year is too long,
Yeah,
bro.
I got a show tonight, bro. You gotta get me right, fam.
All right, bet. Bro, you from Davie, Florida?
Hell nah, bro. I'm from Hollywood, bro.
What you mean? What's wrong with Davie, Florida?
Bro, they music just not hitting, bro.
Shit, what you trying to get today, though?
I just need to get like a low taper, you feel me? You gotta get me right, though. I don't really know, you feel me?
You just want me to do my best?
Yes, sir. You just do the thing,
All right, bet. I'm gonna take care of you, fam. I know you want a low taper, but I'm gonna get everything looking good, fam. Cause this right here look like a bird nest, dog. And you got anything specific you going to tonight or no?
Shit, bro. I got a show tonight, bro. I gotta go get lit, you feel me?
What's your rapper name, though, bro?
Lil Dre 40, bro.
Lil Dre 40. Hey, you tough though?
You know that.
Okay. I'm gonna listen to it later, bro. Once I leave over here, bro.
Know that, you feel me?
Bet. Hey, bro, but like, how far was this drive though?
Like 25, 30 minutes, bro.
Hey, I appreciate you driving that far. We gonna make sure this is worth it, cuz this is like a burden, like I said, cuz. Can't right barber, fam. All right, bro. So like, with all that being said, you ready for the transformation?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it, man.